Ladies and gentlemen, today I would like to delve into a topic that has been a source of immense debate, contemplation, and inspiration for countless individuals throughout history: God and the Bible. The concepts of a higher power and sacred texts have shaped cultures, influenced societies, and provided guidance and solace to millions of people around the world. When we speak of God, we enter into the realm of the divine, a vast and intricate tapestry of beliefs, traditions, and interpretations. God represents the ultimate source of meaning, purpose, and transcendence for many individuals. Whether you refer to this higher power as God, Allah, Yahweh, or by any other name, the essence remains the same, a force that is greater than ourselves, guiding and shaping our existence. The Bible, on the other hand, is a collection of sacred texts that holds profound significance for millions of people. It is a book that spans centuries, with diverse authors, genres, and narratives. It contains wisdom, teachings, and accounts of the divine-human relationship. For many, the Bible is more than just a historical document. It is a living testament to the enduring nature of faith and spirituality. However, it is important to acknowledge that discussions surrounding God and the Bible often elicit a wide range of emotions and opinions. People approach these topics from various perspectives, influenced by personal experiences, cultural backgrounds, and individual journeys. Some embrace faith with unwavering conviction, finding solace and guidance in their beliefs. Others maintain a position of skepticism, questioning the existence of a higher power or the validity of religious texts. It is crucial to foster an environment of respect and open-mindedness when discussing matters of faith and spirituality. We must recognize that each person's beliefs are deeply personal and should be treated with empathy and understanding. It is through dialogue, curiosity, and sincere engagement that we can truly appreciate the diverse perspectives that exist within our global community. For those who find solace and meaning in their faith, God represents a source of love, compassion, and guidance. They see God as a loving creator, a divine presence that offers comfort in times of struggle, and a moral compass to navigate life's complexities. The Bible is seen as a source of timeless truths, offering guidance on how to live a virtuous and purposeful life. Others may approach the topic of God and the Bible from a more skeptical standpoint. They question the existence of a higher power or may be critical of certain aspects of religious teachings. It is important to respect and engage with these perspectives as well, recognizing that skepticism and critical thinking are essential components of intellectual growth and understanding. Ultimately, the discussion surrounding God and the Bible is a deeply personal one. It is a journey of exploration, introspection, and self-discovery. Whether one finds solace in religious traditions, seeks spiritual fulfillment through other means, or embraces a secular worldview, it is crucial that we approach these conversations with humility, empathy, and a genuine desire to understand one another. Let us foster an environment where individuals from diverse backgrounds can share their beliefs, doubts, and experiences openly and respectfully. Let us embrace the richness of our collective wisdom and engage in thoughtful dialogue that expands our horizons and deepens our understanding of the human experience. In conclusion, God and the Bible hold profound significance for millions of people worldwide. They represent a source of faith, guidance, and inspiration. However, discussions surrounding these topics should be approached with respect, empathy, and an open mind. Let us embrace the diversity of perspectives and engage in meaningful conversations that promote understanding and unity among all people. Thank you.